Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to add units of measurement to a cell in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's get started. If we manually write a unit of measurement into a cell, then when we try to do any math action with this cell, we'll not succeed, because we're not doing everything right. To add a unit of measurement to a cell, we select the cells we need, then right-click and select Format Cells in the menu that appears. In the Format Cells window, we go down and select Custom. Click on any format, leave the hash sign. The hash sign in this case means any digital value in the cell, and then enter the desired unit of measurement in quotation marks. Kilograms, meters, liters, it doesn't matter. Click OK. Now there are units of measurement in the cells and any operation can be performed with them. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.